Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you download app on your iPhone. So at first just go to your app store. Now in the app store you can download from these kind of apps. In the bottom here you can see games. You can select games categories apps from these. You can also select apps, arcade, and the last one is to search apps. You can search for apps to download it. For instance, I'm just gonna show you download Swamp Attack. Now to download the app, click on Get beside the app. Now if you want to download this app, just double click on your power button, and after that your app will be started to download. So guys, that's how you can download app on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.